They say you can never truly go back. But we've left a fire in our wake to light the way home. From the harbor of Boston to the lights of Los Angeles, from the streets of New York to the rains of Seattle. We have been a nomadic people, moving through the noise to find the music. And tonight, we have found it. Beyond these walls, the world has never been louder. Yet here we are, together once again. And for that, we are grateful. So Chicago, and every citizen across Big Booty Land, welcome home. Take a deep breath, hold your ground, because the truth is, out there, it's a jungle.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
He say love me, you for me Chanel. 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 Say love me for me Chanel.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
It's not talking to you that I'm standing on business, is it?
Some issues that nobody can see, and all of these emotions are pouring is the soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life.
Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? Don't wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna brush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are.
Acquire. Cancer.
Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby.
clear. That's the sound of the beast.
Oh,
Watch out, we run New York.
you know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? Said there's another look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, I thought you'd always be mine. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. And I was like, baby, 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 like baby, 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 baby.
Luda. When I was 13, I had my first love.
It's never gonna change. I'm gonna feel this way forever. Are you gonna feel down for me? Come on, come on.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? The biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, holla. People sing around. Go, get your freak on. 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 Go, get your.
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me.
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see.
I guess I'm the problem. And your mess never do no wrong if I'm so awful. Then why'd you stick around this long and if it's the whiskey? And why you keep on pulling it off the shelf? You hit it when you looked at me, you halfway see yourself, and it got me thinking, if I'm the problem, well, you might be the reason.
Just take your time, honey, I get it. The way you got me all in my head, got me all in my head. Think I got you in my head.
Badder than, bad from me part. Bad from me part. Bad from me part. Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreign. I'm hardly, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka.
Soldier boy, tell him. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now why? Soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now why?
Oh baby, I need some more desire, believe when I say I want it that way.
What a feeling is believing. I can have it all. Now I'm dancing for my life. What a feeling. What a feeling. What a feeling.
I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
Mommy?
I'm a mom.
Mamacita.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. Love boys don't know how to act. Yeah. Think it's special what's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy on. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm here to have a sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You'll find me in the club.
My lungs, I can feel you. Take me back to a time when we didn't know how to live. Tonight, we all feel smoking in on my couch in the bathroom.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You find me in the club.
Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you sing that song, and I got lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the word.
'Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know,
Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Don't make me choose. I think you know what this is. I think you wanna know. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can it. Ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is. I think you know what this is. I think you wanna know. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can it. Ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is.
But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me
home tonight. I don't wanna let you go. This is the life. Take say. Take me home tonight. I don't wanna let you go till you see the light. Take me home tonight. Listen, honey, just like what I say.
I'm coming to the cottage.
I know. Man, child, why you always come running on me? Fuck my life. Won't you let an innocent woman be? Coming closer now that I'm a man. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Pulling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
She on that coke diet. She stopped me diet coke. She on that coke diet. She stopped me diet coke. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet.
Yeah, yeah. Save a little love for me before you give it all away. Bring your body back to me. Whoa, whoa. Tell me, pull your heart out for me before you give it all away. Save a little love for me.
We're going up, before I'm moving. You know together we're going. Gonna be going. Oh, with our voices. Gonna get you so loving. Gonna be going.
Save a little love for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
You are now one of my elite employees.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no it's like ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
Mac, I'm going in.
Ain't no
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. Tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper.
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
It's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain.
some people. Hey, is this illegal? Hey, it feels illegal.
This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, but I won't say goodbye anymore.
Is this illegal?
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Right now, it is 7:57, and we are getting ready to witness greatness. We are getting ready for the absolutely incredible day that has been sent before us. Oh, baby, get yourself prepared because we are about to kick things on off. Traders, as you guys can already see, we have already made $1,200 on the day. Can we kick off this day with a little bit of excitement, though? Can we get a good old deck mark trades? Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, baby. Good morning to everyone watching. Good morning to everyone here. Smash that thumbs on up right now. ASTC, what a ride here, huh? What an absolute ride that we have seen so far over on ASTC, and we are only just starting on off. Team, let's get ready for the 8 a.m. press release wave. Now, the 8 a.m. press release wave, it is so important that every single trader realizes that starting up at 8 a.m., we want to see if we have any sort of big space stocks like ASTC. Just 24 hours ago, ASTC was a stock that was out at the price of $2. Ladies and gentlemen, 24 hours ago, ASTS was a $2 stock. It is now or was up to a $26 stock. Who here has a $2,000 account? If you invested $2,000 yesterday, you would be up $24,000. This is what's so incredible about the stock market. This is what's so amazing about the stock market, is with a $2,000 account yesterday, you could be up $24,000. So, I'll explain my entire trade so far today, but I do want to watch for 8 a.m. first. All eyes at this point, guys, over on Fox Runner and over on ASTC. We have a lot to break down here today, but let's see again what type of hot news comes through first. And after this hot news comes on out, let's be all set, ready to go. Okay? So, I traded ASTC so far today, but let's see if we get anything fresh or new right at 8 o'clock here, guys. It is game time. ASTC, number one play, 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's see if we get any space plays. I did add the word space as a keyword on Fox Runner. So if the word space comes out, we most likely will see a quick spike, quick run, and quick pop. It will be in gold. So it will be a gold word. Just a little heads up for you guys. Right now, ASTC is working its way back up to $25, guys. Little crazy. ASTC is trying to work itself back up towards around $25 at this time. Let's see if we get anything big. And I would rather have something big come out at like 8:30 or so. I kind of want to take, the next 30 minutes to explain a little bit, right? I do. I want to take like 30 minutes or so to explain a little, kind of see what's going on. Partnership record for approval. So again, we want to make sure we are all set, ready to go here. All I'm doing right now is just kind of bouncing around, making sure that we are not putting ourselves in any sort of bad positions. But I don't believe there's any sort of massive spiker just yet. We did have NCT this morning. Guys, NCT, I really wasn't focused too much on NCT, but that one went from $2 all the way up to $8. I'm sure, again, Fox Runner had that one alerted so that you guys are all set, ready to go. And obviously so important in making sure every single trader is ready and aware of that. Right now here, team, don't want to put ourselves in any sort of bad spot. I'm just bouncing around right now. Just give me a few seconds. Let me just make sure that we're all set. Seems like top plays right now. If I had to type out a quick little 8 a.m. watch list, my little 8 a.m. watch list right here would be what? We have NCT, ASTC. 8 a.m. watch list. These are the top two dogs I like the most. These are the top two stocks that I want the most. These are the plays that are bringing me the most amount of attention. So these are the ones that I am going to be focusing on and going to, of course, be watching. All right. NCT, ASTS. All right, guys. So let's talk about it all, okay? Let's talk about it all. Let's break this whole entire day on down. You guys know that's what I love to do. I like to make sure that every single person is prepared. Every single person is aware. Every single person is set and ready to go. So let's talk about it from start to finish. This morning's prep, this morning's watch list. What is the number one word of the day? It's space. You say the word space, it's like saying the word artificial intelligence in 2023. We are seeing space stocks right now go absolutely ballistic. It doesn't matter if you look at the big daddies, aka Rocket Lab or ASTS. These are, again, space stocks that are absolutely crushing at this time. You can take a look if you want to over on the monthly chart. ASTS has been exploding over the past 30 days. Rocket Lab right here has been exploding over the last 30 days. And as our small cap day trades, we could see ASTC. ASTC exploding. Supernova season. $2 all the way up to $26. Now, why is this happening? This is happening because the excitement of SpaceX IPO. The world's biggest IPO. The world's biggest company to come into the market for the first time for us as retail traders, for the general public to be able to invest into it. And we know that is kicking on off June 12th. So traders, it doesn't matter where you look or where you go. What we are seeing right now are space stocks are taking over the market. So I'm over on Fox Runner here. Let's go over to the analyst alerts page and let's again kind of break this on down. First thing I want you guys to realize and understand though is every single person should do this. Go over and add on your watch list all space stocks. So the moment they come out with news, you get a notification sent to your phone and you get a notification on your desktop. This morning, same exact thing here, traders. Go to a keyword section and add space. This way, every single time the word space comes on out, and I will move this over here so you guys can see it better. Go to your keyword section, add the word space, put a little rocket ship at it in gold, and now every single time the word space comes on out, you'll get a push notification to your phone, or you'll be able to see it, being highlighted on your news feed. So make sure you guys have space stocks on your watch list. Make sure you guys are adding keywords of space plays so that you guys can see them right away. So important. But let's start at the very bottom of today. Let's go over the very beginning of what we have seen from start to finish on this day. And guys, it is a continuation of yesterday. Let's take a moment here because it says ASTC continues to hit record highs. Now it's at $22. This is at 6 in the morning here, team. But what happened yesterday? Yesterday was a really funny press release. ASTC was at the price of $2, and it came out with a press release yesterday that says Astrotech. Astro, asteroid, Astro, space, Astro, deep space. That's the meaning of it. So we have Astrotech, a company that has to do with space, approves strategic lunar resources and infrastructure to advance future moon-based quantum computing manufacturing. Traders, it's kind of a dumb press release when you think about it. Hey, we are a space stock that's going to build quantum computers on the moon. Kind of a dumb press release when you think about it. But it's hitting all the key words. We're talking about space and lunar. We're talking about, again, the moon. We're talking about quantum computing. So guys, you can add a few different words if you want to. You can add the word astro or maybe, again, lunar. That's maybe a good keyword that we could be able to put on. So I'm actually going to go over to my premium tab here. I'm going to click over towards keywords, and I'm actually going to add the word lunar. And the reason why I'm going to add the word lunar, I'm going to actually turn that into a little rocket ship, turn that into a gold word as well, turn on AI voice alerts, and now boom, and now whenever the word lunar comes out as well, that could be something. Hey, you know what? I'll even put the word the moon, right? Put that, make that, boom. Put the word the moon. Because I know space stocks are going crazy. So I'm just trying to cover the fields. I'm trying to cover space. I'm trying to color lunar. I'm trying to color moon. Maybe another, would be like, put in orbit. Maybe orbit could be a hot keyword. So now whenever these words come on out, you'll hear an AI voice alert of that specific word. We will see it highlighted right here for us. And again, it'll be sent to my phone on the mobile app as well. So I truly never miss anything. That's what I'm trying to make sure that I'm always prepared on. So let's go back to the very bottom right here because we want to make sure we're covering this. So ASTC went ballistic yesterday. It went from 2 to 5 to 10 to this morning being up towards $20. Now traders, ASTC, I actually posted in chat last night over on Tradecaster. Let me see if I can grab this for you. Again, in after hours last night, I believe I said if it comes on down towards... Let me see if I can find it from yesterday. I said ASTC, after hours, no holds, momentum can take on over. So this is what I was looking for. So this was last night, 6:10 p.m. ASTC. I would like to buy in at 1080 if we get there and hold overnight. Strong support right next to the VWAP. So this was at 6 o'clock last night. Unfortunately, we did not get there. Right? ASTC was more just sitting right around $12. $12 dropped on down to $12.50. I wanted to see if we were going to drop on down towards around like $10.50 or so, and then I wanted to jump in on this play. But as you guys could see, we woke up this morning, ASTC was already going absolutely ballistic. So what did I do on this trade here today? I did say to myself, ASTC stock, again, I know I'm repeating this, $2 to $25. I just want to get ready for some shares to short. So I did locate shares to short. They only cost about $50, not too bad whatsoever. And then I did have a few trades prior where I was just testing the waters. I jumped in, got squeezed out. Jumped in, got squeezed out. Jumped in, finally won. So if you guys want to take a look over on my entire P&L over on today so far, I was down 800 to 1,000. So again, I started shorting it. I tried to give it a chance. Shorted it the first time, right around 20 bucks. Hey, stock's going from $2 to 20 bucks. let me try to see if it's going to go on a big time rip and run. That was only with about 200 shares, wasn't anything crazy, or 400 shares, wasn't anything crazy. I got out. Then again, stock was all the way up at $22, $23. So I'm shorting at $23. Guess what happens, guys? Stock falls on down, I make a little bit of a profit, right? Then I made my big profit. And my big profit, as you guys can see coming on up, was I started shorting this play at $23.80, $24, $24.10. This was with 1,700 shares. With 1,700 shares, guys, I held this play for about $1.50 drop. That was able to eliminate the earlier about $800, $900 loss, and then also put me up an additional $1,226. So with 1,700 shares, every dollar that the stock drops, I make $1,700. I held it for about $1.50 drop. So I was able to make over $2,000 on this trade, plus again, eliminate that $800. So it came on out to about a $1,200 profit so far. But as you guys can see, and as I trade live with you guys every single day, I am not perfect with my trades, right? I'm going to be completely transparent with you. I am not selling you guys a course. I am not sitting here telling you, everyone do what I do, you will make millions of dollars. I am trying to guide you on the best way for me to be able to make money. So again, if I see a stock that does this, I see a stock going up here, going up here, going up here, going up here, I do say a lot of times, hey, guys, I'm going to jump in on a short here. And guess what? If the stock keeps going up higher, I just say, you know what? Let me get out. And you know what? I'm down $500. But then the stock started going up even higher. And I said, you know what? Let me try to go after another short. And the stock goes right here. And then guess what? It continued to go up a little bit more. And I said, you know what? I'm going to get out. And you know what? I lost another $500. But then the stock started going up even more. And the stock started going up even more. And I said, you know what? I'm going to give this a chance. And then guess what happened? The stock turned and fell. And the stock turned and fell, and it came all the way on down here. And guess what? I got out here, and before I lost again $1,000. But now, from this, I was able to make $2,200. So I was able to eliminate this entire loss and put myself up $1,200 on the day. So remember, a lot of times you have to kind of give and take. It's very difficult to just say, oh, boom, this is it. I always, again, compare stock trading to being in a relationship. Guys, it's rare. Sometimes it happens, but it's the first woman you date, the first woman you talk to, the first woman you're attracted to. Does that become your wife? I know one couple. Actually, I know two couples. Two couples I know that their first girlfriend in 7th grade was, again, turned into their wife. Someone that's my age and my aunt and uncle. My aunt and uncle, they started dating in 6th grade, and now they're still together and they're coming up to 75 years old. Pretty crazy to think about, right? One of my best friends, he started dating his girlfriend back in 7th grade, and they got married when they were 21, and now they're still married and we're 32. They've been together for like 20 years. So the thing is, what I'm saying though, is it's very difficult to say, hey, that's the perfect entry. We try and make it work, but sometimes it doesn't, and that's okay. And then again, we try, and then guess what? You finally find the love of your life, you make a lot of money. So guys, it's okay to get in and out. It's okay to, again, try to get involved in certain plays here and there. And that's what I did. And when the winner comes around, you lock that winner down, baby. So the thing is, ASTC, I went after this trade this morning, gave it a few chances, was able to make some good money. And again, this was at 6 in the morning, guys. You know, I wake up at around like 6 a.m., 5:45 in the morning. I opened up my computer, I saw ASTC going ballistic, and I said, oh boy, it is game time. Time to lock in, right? So you guys can see right here, ASTC has been an absolute crazy play. Let's keep moving on up here, okay? As we move on up, we did see Snow. Snow, guys, had a 30% gain on its earnings last night. Oh! So Snow was an absolutely awesome trade. Stock went all the way from, again, $175 to $242. Snow was ballistic. Awesome. Great spike, great move. Now, guys, more ASTC alerts. It says, let's break down space stocks right now. Everything you need to know. Traders, this is so important. This slide right here, this PowerPoint, this whatever, I don't know, this page, this tab. It says, let's break down space stocks. Easy question. Why are space stocks spiking? Space stocks are spiking primarily due to the massive hype and investment excitement around SpaceX. Boom! We talked about it. Expected in June 26, potentially as early as mid-June under the ticker SPCX. SpaceX also filed an S1 prospectus recently around May 20th, targeting the valuation of $1.75 trillion, making it one of the largest IPOs ever to be able to step foot in the stock market for the history of man. It's crazy. So, that's what we have. So why are space stocks stealing the spotlight? Because it's a sympathy trade. If everyone is excited about space, everyone's going to go over towards space stocks. What are the most popular space stocks to watch? Rocket Lab, ASTS, LUNR, RDW, PL. These are all super hot plays. Is there a space ETF you can buy? UFO. Funny, right, guys? UFO, that's the space ETF. What is the best space play? While Fox Runner cannot give you that answer, we can say ASTC is the hottest space stock to watch, as this one has been spiking from $2 all the way up to $25. ASTC has been insane. So you have been seeing crazy spikes, rips, and runs, all from the upcoming SpaceX IPO. Look at this, guys. Even more information. I love it. Everything we need to know about the SpaceX IPO. Ticker, SPCX. Expected timing, around June 4th to June 8th. I heard it's going to be June 12th. Yep, right here, June 12th. Target valuation, $2 trillion, $75 billion. Should be opening up at around the price of $110. So team, we got a lot of cool stuff here. We know space stocks are hot. We know it's SpaceX. We know Rocket Lab, LUNR, PL, RDW. We know ASTC has been the hottest play here so far. Can you see how we're getting mentally prepped for this day? Can you see again what is happening on this day? Can you understand again how traders are again focused on this day here? So, we got a lot of great, plays all from these, rips and runs from these space stocks. What else do we have? Previous top gainer, ASTC was the #1 top gainer. Guys, can we take a little pivot here for a second? Take a little pivot. Yesterday, all right, and let's actually go back to yesterday here for a second. I'm going to go back to the 27th, and there was a slide here yesterday, right here. Awesome. The most anticipated IPOs of 2026. Traders, I want you to be ahead of the curve right now. I want you to be ready to make thousands of dollars. It says the most anticipated IPOs of 2026. Right now, SpaceX. Going to be one of the most crazy SpaceX, or one of the craziest IPOs we have ever seen. And guess what? We've already showed you. We have seen ASTC go absolutely ballistic. We know at this time that we have Rocket Lab going absolutely crazy. We know at this time we have ASTS going absolutely crazy. We have LUNR, which is again starting to move on up. We have RDW, which is going absolutely crazy. Traders, what do you guys think is going to happen after SpaceX? And maybe as we get ready for a new IPO, maybe a defense IPO with Anduril, or maybe OpenAI or Anthropic, or maybe again robotics when we have Figure AI. After SpaceX, everyone again kind of take a mental image or a mental note of this. Whatever is the next big IPO, maybe again defense. Start looking for defense stocks that might start going crazy in the near future. So you can see, don't just say, oh, space stocks were amazing, and now again you miss out on possibly the next big rip and run, right? We know this. So make sure you guys are using your head about this, all right? What else do we have here though, traders? We want to make sure that we're understanding the entire day. Oil jumps 2.5%. Says Iran says it's targeted U.S. airbase. Oil jumps 2.5%. A lot of times when oil jumps, the S&P 500 falls. I haven't even looked at the S&P 500. I'm going to make the assumption we have a slight gap down. Yep, S&P 500, as you guys can see, slight gap down. When oil rises, it usually means that we do see fading and falling over on the S&P 500. It's just almost a game of opposites. Okay, so we do have a lot of climbing right here. ASTC, that was some current charts. Also, some very big news here yesterday, guys. The Trump administration advances drone financing initiative. Traders, we are entering a new type of warfare. Guys, if we want to think about warfare throughout the history of time, we could think all the way back to the Revolutionary War, or maybe the Civil War. What would they do? They would again line up. They would sit there and line up, just stand in front of each other. Boosh! And all of a sudden you ever see The Patriot with Mel Gibson? Probably the worst way to fight, to just sit there and sacrifice your men, but that was the honorable thing to do. But then again, generals started thinking to themselves, hey, how could we maybe not have our entire army get killed every time we do this? Well, let's do guerrilla warfare, where we start hiding in the woods. We start hiding in the woods and we start taking them down. We ambush them. Okay, hey, this seems like it's working a lot better. Okay, and then as time goes by, guess what? We start adding technology. Guess what? We're going to have planes. Guess what? We're not just going to stand there in front of people. We're going to be strategic about it. Let's save our lives. But now, as we move into 2026, the battlefield is a lot different. It's almost to the point that the battlefield is coming to, guess what? We're not even like attacking humans anymore. We send waves of drones, basically like a big, bumblebee swarm, and just a black cloud of drones go with bombs attached to them and blow up, right? Back in the day, ever watch that movie 300? You got all the arrows, foop, and it's just a big black wave of arrows. Now again in 2026, it's drones that you can fly around and blow up whenever you want. And guess what? That's the military. That's where we're at right now. So the Trump administration advances drone financing initiation. So what we have here, team, is we are seeing UMAC, Performance Drone Works, Neuro Technologies. So again, market reaction. Guys, take a look right now. UMAC gapping up 30%. RCAT gapping up 15%. ONDS gapping up 8%. These plays right here, these are, again, drone-related stocks that have a lot of hype behind them because, guess what? Trump is now funding them more. Now, guys, can we also take a second? Let's think about me personally. Why would this be good for me personally? Well, traders, what's one of my go-to investments? You guys know this. Amprius. Amprius, guys, is the #1 battery supplier for drones, right? So again, Nokia Drone Networks, they create batteries for drones. And again, their batteries, as you guys can see, a conventional drone battery only lasts 2 hours. Silicone anodone batteries from Amprius last 3 hours and 40 minutes. How much more is it important that, let's say again, if we are in, let's say there's two countries, country A and country B, and they both use drone warfare. Country A can be able to have their drones out there for nearly 4 hours. Country B can only have their drones out there for nearly 2 hours. Guys, there's a massive advantage. People are coming back charging batteries. You're still out there. So again, I think this is massive news, not only for drone companies, but also what operates drone companies. So what I'm looking for is AMPX to be able to continue to rise back on up. Now, AMPX had an earnings, a week and a half ago that hurt it pretty good. we were on a great climb. For anyone who does not know, I am sitting on AMPX with 1,000 shares, $12,000 investment on AMPX at 12 bucks. So again, the most I was up so far on this trade, it went from $12 and we were up towards around $22. I was up around $10,000 on AMPX. Now again, AMPX, we're up around a little over $6,000. Still great, but I am looking to see if AMPX is going to work itself back on up. I like AMPX, drones, batteries, silicone, all of this right here, guys. I like it a lot. I think there's a big future behind it. I have been holding that one and I've alerted that one. And again, I've been pretty hot. I've been pretty accurate with, again, my biggest trades saying, hey guys, everyone go buy into these. What did I say? A lot of my biggest trades ever, if you guys do not know. Rocket Lab. I alerted Rocket Lab underneath $15. IO&Q. I alerted IO&Q underneath the price of $20. We brought in, we had IO&Q, we had Rocket Lab. There was one other one. Which other one did we do? We did another, great one as well that we were again focusing on. But AMPX is basically, as I said, my golden goose egg of 2026. So obviously things can change. Obviously, again, we could see new things in the future, but I've been holding AMPX since October. So I jumped in on October when we started again rising and still holding and looking to be able to see if we can spike up towards around $30 or higher. So AMPX, gonna keep that one on high watch and high alert. Very good news for drones, which could again relay down towards the battery operations as well. Now we're getting more into, a lot of these spikes and rips and runs about today. This we already went over, guys. Make sure you guys add this. Foxrunner suggestion, add space to your keywords. Traders, we already talked about it. If you did not, add again a lot of watch list plays. Make sure you guys download the app over on your phone. Add all the keywords so that you guys don't miss anything whatsoever. Okay? But going into today so far, we don't have any massive press release just yet. CRSR, WGRX, PHR, 26% gain, blah. 24% gain, blah. 18% gain, blah. These aren't any massive gainers. What we like the most are going to be, again, stocks that are space related that can go crazy. And right now, ASTC had news yesterday, but it's still, again, one of the most wild, most volatile plays. That's why I like it. That's why I think there's a lot of attention, and that's why I think it's worth watching on this day. So amazing job, amazing work all around for everyone. Guys, big question for you. Big question here. Who here thinks that this is going to be buy the hype, sell the news? Now I know, right? Some of you guys might be saying to yourself right now, Deck, I'm going to buy so many space stocks, and when SpaceX comes on out, I'm going to buy even more. Who here thinks this is it's going to run up for the next week and a half, but then we're going to see massive sell-offs? Who here thinks, again, big sell-offs could happen coming up in the future? That could easily happen. Sell-offs could happen. Buy the hype, sell the news. Right? We could easily see that, in the near future here. You got to be careful on it, That's not going to be simple. That's not going to be easy. All right, here, traders. Let's make sure that we are all set, ready to go on this day. Looking forward to this day. Looking forward to seeing what we have. Looking forward to seeing what's going to be coming on up here. ASTC, NCT. NCT still trying to stay alive. ASTC is going to get active at some point. Like, it's going to get crazy at some point. I just don't know exactly when that's going to be, but it's going to get crazy. Now, I do have... Now, what's the good news here, traders? Also, I do want to say it does feel great to be able to recover from Monday. If you guys were not here on Monday, I did lose $3,000. Monday, guys. Or, excuse me, Tuesday. Monday was Memorial Day. Tuesday, I lost $3,000. Sucked. Wasn't fun in any sort of way. Right? But what's the good news? Is I stick to it. I trust my guns. I know, again, how great I am in stock trading. Not every trade's perfect, but I know, again, how great I am. So yesterday, guess what? We were able to make $1,400 on the day. Great, right? Today, we're able to make $1,200 on the day. Great. So again, we're almost there. We are almost there. We're a couple $100 away from recovering fully that $3,000 loss. And now again, we are back to get to that $10,000 region, right? So, and let me just do some math real quick. I'm trying to think. We were about $500 away. We're at $9,500. We lost $3,000. That brought us back on down towards just underneath $6,000. Let's say it was $5,800. Now, we have been able to make about $1,700. That is going to be pushing us back on up towards just underneath $8,000. So the thing is, or right around $8,000. We need about $2,000, $2,000 to be able to push ourselves up to over a $10,000 a month. We have today, we have tomorrow. So what's the goal here? Turn this into a $3,000 day. If we can turn this into a $3,000 day, we are going to hit our mark. But right now, we are sitting back with just around $8,000 on the month now. So, pretty solid month. Good. Always a blast. Let's see again how much money we can make coming up here. Guys, ASTC getting a little bit weaker at this time. I would like to see some more volume. ASTC could squeeze at any moment. We all know that. Guys, 8:30 is coming on up. All eyes. Let's make sure that we are prepared. Let's make sure that we are ready. We do know 8:30 is right around the corner. I have lunar, space, moon, all hot keywords. They will be highlighted in gold. So if you see gold, you might see space, lunar, moon. These are plays that most likely will get some sort of rocket right away. You see one of those plays, I'm buying in right away. We have our filter set from 0 to 30 million in float. We have hot keywords all set, ready to go. If we see one of these hot keywords, we might want to jump in and buy in right away for a nice, like, quick 100% spike. Could be a pump and dump type of move, but you could be able to make a lot of money really quickly. We do have $10 million private placement. Phase 2 department on a $1 billion drone dominance. Guys, JFB has the B word. $1 billion. And again, you're talking about drones. Something that Trump just talked about. So JFB and drones definitely could go on a quick little rip and run. Just a little heads up for every single person here. I'm going to give this a little bit of a chance. I'm jumping in with 1,000 shares right now. 1,000 shares right now, guys, over on this play. Currently up $400. I'm in right now on this play, guys. Drones, hot play. I am in at the price of $8.33. Currently up on this play right now. Can we, guys, we just had a big spike all the way up towards $9. I'm in at $8.33. Drones got a lot of hype and got a lot of momentum. I want to see it. Oh, come on. Don't be this little pump and dump type of move. Right now here, traders, JFB did have the word $1 billion, with, again, drones. After Trump just came on out with that Trump press release, I want to see, can JFB, again, re-break that $9 mark? It was quick, as you guys could see. 6, 7, 8. I want to see, can we re-break 9? I might just have to get out of this play, though, if this does not go on that big-time spike I want. But this is one of those plays that I really enjoy, honestly. So again, I saw this come on out, JFB, $1 billion, drones, talking about it. And I was thinking, hey, this one could possibly rip up to $10 plus. What's the VWAP? VWAP is 742. It's going to hold right around 742. Might just want to cut my losses and move on, and I'm going to do that, guys. Fuck! All right, so JFB, guys, took away a little bit of my gains today, which sucks because that was actually a good press release. JFB, guys, that was actually a good press release. I'm not going to lie there. I will pull the trigger probably on that 10 out of 10 times. But hold on. I'll go over that in a second. Let's just make sure we're not missing any other news. So let's see here. I'm just making sure we're not missing any other news. If you guys see anything else going big, please let us know. JFB almost turning into a pump and dump. Why did I buy JFB, guys? JFB, 3-star word. What's the word? Phase and billion. So we were selected for Department of Defense $1 billion drone dominance program. This could easily have spiked. We just saw Trump come out with, again, he's going to be sending money to drone companies. We have, again, this $1 billion drone dominance program. Stock just got a crazy spike and came back on down. Happy I got out of that play. Basically took away a lot of my gains on today. I'm going to pull the trigger 10 out of 10 times on that after the recent events. You can see why it spiked, why I went after it, got out, moved on. So, got to, again, move on from that play here. What else do we have here? Quantum computing, NTRP, guys. Anything going crazy? RDW here, guys. This is a space play. Is ASTC back in action? ASTC trying to get a little bit of hype. Good afternoon from the UK. Good afternoon from the UK. It's crazy how time works, isn't it? Over in the UK, it's the afternoon. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but here in New York, it's only 8 o'clock. And again, off in California, it's 6 a.m. It's time traveling, baby. So right here, traders, we have to get ourselves back. I mean, I'm not upset with the JFB trade. I mean, I got to go after it. One of those things, guys, got to go after when you see them. No space, though. No space play there. No space play over on JFB there. So guys, let's see what we could be doing next here. Went after it. Gotta give it a chance. Am I missing anything at 8:30, guys? I'm just kind of looking right here. Am I missing anything at 8:30? I don't believe I am, but I just want to make sure. Right now, ASTC, we're going to continue to keep our eyes peeled over on these. See where the hype and momentum's going to go. All right. Guys, let's dive back into this. Right now, ASTC is trying to get a little bit of action. ASTC, I see a little bit of orders coming on through. I want to see, can we get a random space mover here? Let's go over to ASTC. Let's do another breakdown of some charting, okay? ASTC. Gonna do another breakdown of some charting. See what we can do on some charts here. I am going to kind of put a lot of different lines. I'm going to delete some lines. Let me just get my thoughts, okay? I'll speak out loud here. Number one, I do see old spiking high at around the price of 1970. This is also a dip buy at 1970. This is also a dip buy at 1970. I can see that we have stronger resistance right around 24 bucks. $24, as you guys can see right here. That is going to be a top. That's a top. You guys can see we did break it a little bit up to like 24.20, 24.20, 24.20. I can also see though at this moment, if you want to connect some dots, we are starting to form a downtrend. You can connect some dots, put the downtrend right here, recognize that the stock is starting to fade and fall, and that one's having trouble being able to break out of this area. Is there any sort of large uptrend that's trying to hold up at this moment? Uptrend at this time, connect this dot, connect this dot, connect this dot. Now again, we're actually getting a little bit of a crack here that I'm realizing, taking a look over on this play. So I'm actually realizing, hey, we have a little bit of a crack now that's starting to happen. And if I wanted to kind of break this on down even more at this moment, I'm just, again, trying to say to myself, all right, what makes sense to me is I see that we have 24, let's just say 24.20 resistance, okay? I do see we see 24.20 resistance. That is going to be a strong resistance line, I think, for every single person that you guys can agree on. Stop me when you stop agreeing with me. I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree. 24.20, that's going to be a top resistance line. We can also see that we do have a clear-cut downtrend. Yes, guys, I know, again, you might be on the long side and saying, hey, I want to see if the stock is going to squeeze and spike. We do have a downtrend, top resistance, top resistance, top resistance, which is, again, holding this play on up at this time. So we do have a downtrend right here. You guys can also see, again, I'm just kind of connecting the dots. Bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play. It is, trying to hold this uptrend, but it is getting a little bit weaker. So let's see again if it can hit this area and break on out, or if it's going to hit it and start reversing back on down. So we do have an uptrend. I will say the uptrend is fighting for its life. Could we again adjust the uptrend to like something like this? Yes. And again, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, and we will adjust it to this. So we have this at this moment. And then we also do have our bottom area, which is going to be right around 1975 support. So we do have 1975 support at this time. And this is where I am taking a look over on this play, where I'm asking myself, all right, hey guys, this makes sense. Let's go ahead and get some dips and bounces right at these areas. So now all I'm doing at this moment is trying to, again, break down this play, give myself the best visual cues I can to have a best understanding about it. So where's resistance? That's resistance right there, right? Here's resistance right here. Here's resistance right here. Here's resistance right here. Here's resistance right here, right? These are resistance, 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 resistance. Beautiful. Now, where's our main support lines? Our support lines are going to be support, support, support. You guys can realize support, here's support, right? You guys can also, again, let me put in a little resistance. Here's resistance on that downtrend. We also, again, if we want to take a look over on the overall support, as we talked about, we can, again, change this on out. We'd say, here's support, here's support, here's support. So it really comes on down to which way do you guys believe is going to win? We have a clear-cut ASTC. Here's the live charting here, guys, right? We got ASTC. We got our live charting. We understand, again, exactly what we need. Let me post this for you guys over in chat right now. I'm going to post this on the internet. So we do have ASTC. What do we have at this moment? We do have 20 resistance. We do have 1975 support. We do have current uptrend and downtrend leading to a squeeze potential setup. And this is what we would say is a wedge pattern. So that is how I am gauging the stock right now. And that's how I'm seeing this play. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have not yet, make sure you guys smash that thumbs on up right here and right now. Getting yourself prepared on the day. We do have ASTC trying to stay alive right at that area, making sure every single person is good. All right here, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're going to have a great day here watching to see what ASTC is going to do. Now, guys, ASTC, there is a chance that this starts getting that crack. If we do start cracking underneath this uptrend, there's an opportunity that we do fade all the way back on down, right? You can short this play. Obviously, you can put yourself over on this, stock, be able to make it get the best potential you possibly can. Right now here, team. Let's see which way ASTC might be able to get up towards. Little dip by, little bounce play. Watching to see where the hype and momentum is going to take us. Don't put yourself in any bad ones. Guys, we do have SPRC also trying to get a little bit of momentum. Guys, SPRC came out at 8:42 minutes ago. SPRC. Says again, Neuro Labs received conditional approval for acquisition of another company. So again, it is getting an acquisition of another company. This one is also shortable. A lot of times when stocks are shortable, it does lead to bigger short squeezes. Guys, little heads on up. SPRC, now again, continuously squeezing here. SPRC continuously spiking. SPRC continuously going right now. $4, $8. Where would you short this? If you wanted to short SPRC, old spiking high is up towards around 910. Usually, again, a lot of times you might get rejected right around like 875. So 875 to 910 is where you guys can go ahead and look for shorts if interested. If this one breaks 910, I would be very careful. Okay? So if you want to, throw some short orders up a little higher and give that one a chance to see if you could possibly get filled. 877, we did just again get up to the top right there. There is a good chance that we do start seeing a reversal here right around that, like $8.75, $9 mark. There's again $9.20, still going. No shorts for me just yet. $9.50 we just got up towards. Still trying to battle here, team. Stock's getting a little bit of that short squeeze because it is easily accessible for shorts. Again, I always say you just got to be careful with those. I would say if we start spiking on up to like 1040, 1070, like $11. That could be a little bit of better shorting opportunities for us, you know? So traders, I will short this play if we start going up towards, you know, like $10 plus here. Ooh, I didn't get filled. I almost got filled, guys. Almost got filled. My first short entry I had right there was 1040. First short entry I just had was 1040. We got up to 1034. Did not get filled. Did not get filled, but I missed it by 6 cents on 500 shares there. I'm going to eliminate the 1040 entry and wait until it goes higher now. So right now here, traders, just a little heads on up. I'm up $67 on the day. SPRC, guys. All hype, all action over on this one. Missed it just by a little bit, guys. Missed this play just by a little bit over on SPRC. Wanted to see if I could get that. Now it's back down to 9. Now it's getting a little bit weaker. SPRC was a good one. Quick little spike, quick little rip and run, quick little, you know, pop across the board. We'll see if SPRC can maybe squeeze on up towards $11 plus. There's still a chance. Right now, guys, it is getting a little bit of that drop and fade. Missed it by 6 cents. 6 cents missed that by. NCT, not too much. SPRC by far number 1. AS, guys, let's watch this still. ASTC has so much potential. Like this little wedge right here, guys, is a big make or break time. Would you guys agree with me? This little wedge right now is a big make or break time over on this play. Guys, look at ASTC getting tighter and tighter and tighter. This is a big make or break time over on this stock. Make sure that you guys are just fully prepared for it, okay? ASTC still trying to battle a little bit, guys. Or excuse me, SPRC, still trying to battle, still trying to rip and run. No entries for myself at this moment. I'm kind of a little bit more interested over on ASTC to see which way this is going to go. Do you guys think ASTC is going to squeeze here? It really comes on down to which way is going to break and hold. Okay? ASTC, we might get a squeeze here in the next probably 5 to 10 minutes because we are inside this wedge. I cannot tell you which way this wedge is going to go. It could go up, it could go down, but there is a great chance that we see some, you know, opportunity to make money in the next 5 minutes. Okay? Everyone take a second. 5 minutes, ASTC, high watch, high alert. Guys, SPRC getting weak. ASTC, I'm turning my attention over to ASTC right now. ASTC is on the brink of either going on that squeeze and spike or up or down. Guys, which way? Which way do you guys have ASTC at this moment? Which way are you guys banking over on ASTC? You saying, Deck, I think it's going to spike on up, or hey, Deck, I think this thing is going to come crashing on down. if someone gave you $10,000 right now and you had to pick up or down, which way are you going? It's not easy. Right now, ASTC is right in that middle area here. Short, up, short, up. So, I mean, it's just a waiting game. Guys, here's 20. Guys, here comes a little pop. Let's see if it's actually going to work. Let's see if this is actually going to work. All eyes right now. Is it going to be able to hold this pop? Can it hold this pop? Needs to hold around 22.50. Needs to hold like 22.50 if you guys want to make money on this play. If it can hold that 22.50 mark, it's good. If it falls back underneath 22.50, that's where, again, you could start fading and falling and start dropping. So let's see which way. Is it going to hold this uptrend? Here, we just got a little green candle. So right now, ASTC, our number one play. We are at this time essentially just sitting even. We won $1,200. We lost $1,100. We are just waiting and watching to see which way this is going to go. We have a beautiful wedge pattern. Wedge patterns are leading towards a very tight squeeze, and right now we just want to see if ASTC is going to be able to stay above that 22.50 mark. Just had a nice green candle pop. Watching to see if ASTC is going to start building its way back up to 25. If it can, things can get very exciting very quickly. If it starts going underneath again 22.50, shorts might take over. So we are, again, watching this one closely. Keeping our eyes peeled on it here, traders. ASTC, guys. ASTC right now, watching to see what we can do. I want to trade. I want to make some big money. I want to make some big cash today, as you guys know. I'm ready to get after it. Oh my goodness. Traders, this is the attack of the fake accounts. I'm going to go over to, again, look at this. I just clicked my notifications. Look at all of these fake accounts that like my stuff. Just a little heads on up, guys. Fake account, fake account, fake account, fake account. Look at all the fake accounts that comment and like my stuff, trying to get you guys to be like, hey, give me money. Right? It's like, it's all fake. It's all fugazi. So please understand here, traders, if anyone ever contacts you on X, it's not me. Okay? If anyone ever contacts you on X, it is not me. Hey, join again my $1 million management program. It ain't me. Guys, right now, ASTC looking pretty good. Guys, ASTC trying to rip it here. It's going for it. There's a chance that ASTC is going to try to start squeezing here soon. What do you guys think here? It's trying. The potential's there for that pop. The potential is there for the pop and squeeze. It's looking for it. Anyone long right now? Anyone long on ASTC at this moment? Saying, hey, Deck, I'm looking for it as well. I'm going for it here. As we start building, as we start climbing, ASTC has the potential. Unfortunately, right now, we do have SPRC, which is giving a lot back. SPRC giving a lot back. That was the number one play. And then again, we have SPRC. And then also, don't forget, we still have NCT. NCT, guys, a little bit of a weird one because I don't see any sort of news. But NCT, that one's trying to still spike. So SPRC has news. ASTC from yesterday, definitely one we're watching. NCT right here. Obviously, we're focusing on that one and watching it as well. ASTC, high watch, high alert. S&P 500 slightly trying to battle its way back on up. We went after one loser here today. JFB. And JFB had a great press release, so I'm really not that upset I went after it. JFB had this massive spike, $6 and $9, and came right back on down. Traders, is there anyone here? Is there anyone here that whenever they buy, the stock drops? Or whenever they short, the stock spikes on up? Is anyone here does that? Can anyone, if you are that person, can you tell us when you're about to buy and I'll short? And or if you are that person, so is there anyone here willing to sacrifice themselves to make sure the rest of the account, the chat wins? I'm just kidding. But seriously, if you're a person that always loses, just tell us what we're doing and everyone else will do the opposite, okay? Just let us know. Let us know. Just joking, guys. I'm just joking. Calm down. Maybe I'm the guy. Right now, SPRC here, traders, gearing up. It's staying on the bullish side. The short is not until you crack back underneath again this area. If you crack back underneath this area, that's where the short happens. But right now, buyers are still in control. Buyers, bullishness, it is still on the long side. It is still in control here. Right now, it's still trying to fight here a little bit. We know that the majority of people are going to be focused over on this play at the bell. Come on now. Come on now, baby. And we do still have 5 minutes until the 9 a.m. press release wave. 9 a.m. press release wave. Definitely going to be something that we want to be looking at. We are watching ASTC to see if we can squeeze. See if ASTC can be able to make that run and climb for us. Guys, ASTC still looking for it. I think it's going to happen here soon. I feel like I want to give it a chance. Like, if we start getting ourselves back on up, I might hammer it. So we are all good here, team. ASTC. ASTC inside this wedge. ASTC again trying to build on up. Buying volume moving on in. ASTC, I'm thinking about going for it, baby. ASTC building on up a little bit more. Are we going to get that breakout and squeeze here? We know we got the room to run and pop to all the way up to $25 plus. Is the buying volume going to start moving on in for that $25 rip and run attempt once again? That's what we want to see. It's close. Little bit of higher lows. Broke the wedge. Bullish territory. Stock slowly working itself on up. Can we be able to again get that break of $23.70 and pop up to $25 plus? I mean, will it go up a lot? The stock has gone from $2 to $26. Who says this stock can't break 30 today? Stock has gone from $2 to 26. This stock could easily go from 26 back down to 15 today. This stock could easily go from 26 up to 41 today. So it's like this is a life-changing amount of money to people. How many people had $2,000 in their account yesterday? You could have been up $26,000 today. You know what I mean? That's what's so wild about ASTC at this time. There's tons of craziness. There's tons of action here. Ooh, a little bit of a pullback, guys. A little pullback right there. Let's see if it's going to be able to hold. I'm ready on both sides. If it dumps, I'm ready. If it spikes, I'm ready. Deck, I'm watching MNTS. MNTS, that's also a space stock. Absolutely. Guys, ASTC starting to get a little weaker. ASTC is getting a little bit weaker here. It is testing those trend lines here. Just make sure that you guys are on top of that. ASTC back down to testing the trend line area. That would be a dip buy as well, 22.70. Yeah, I would say current volume is a little bit weak. Current volume on ASTC is a little bit weak. We know this wedge did break, but it seems like there's still a lot of trouble here. We could we could get rid of this downtrend. Guys, we can essentially get rid of this downtrend here and now keep this wedge. So notice how we can adjust as we go. Now again, we can just keep this wedge over on ASTC, and we can adjust as we go, saying, hey, we're still bullish right now. We're still holding on up. We're staying patient. We are staying very, very patient over on ASTC at this time, making sure we're doing as much as we can on the right way. All right, guys. Also, 9 a.m. press release wave is coming on out. That 9 a.m. press release wave right around the corner. And with 9 a.m. press release wave, we might see something new. And now ASTC getting tighter. I think there has to be at least an attempted spike on ASTC again. Like at least an attempted rip again. Even if it's just a big upper shadow, I think it's going to be attempted. Traders, all eyes right now. All eyes at this moment over on drone play. Over on Fox Runner. All eyes over on Fox Runner. We are going to start seeing a lot of news come on out. As news comes on out, we are looking for the word space, lunar, satellites, orbit, anything that has to do with space stocks. And we're going to see if, again, we could get a big rip and run. We've seen ASTS, Rocket Lab, Redwire, all these plays. ASTC go on 200, 500% spikes. We're just trying to see if we can get another one here. Guys, I just heard the word space. Let's make sure that we're all set here. We are staying alert, watching and waiting on every single play. I don't see anything going on a big time spike just yet. Guys, SPRC still blowing on up. Take a look over on SPRC, little heads on up. Didn't realize that one's having a short squeeze to the upside. So SPRC still squeezing. SPRC still a beast. So SPRC, that one is still trying to squeeze a little bit as well. Had a big short squeeze off this bull flag pattern. For all my bull flag traders out there, people that enjoy, again, looking for these squeeze setups, we do know SPRC, bull flag pattern, big rip and run right there. SPRC, one of the hottest plays so far. A lot of hype, a lot of action. Stock is easily accessible for shorts, so it does lead towards a lot of times big time rips and runs just because you can have more short squeezes. So SPRC, guys, still trying to stay alive. ASTC, unfortunately, is getting a little weaker. Guys, ASTC is getting a little weaker here. If you start cracking this uptrend here, team, is where things could start getting uglier. People are either going to be dip buying right now, either dip buyers are going to move on in, or shorters, but this is where a potential crack could happen. So, ASTC, high watch, high alert, potential crack could be coming in here soon as this stock, if this play cannot hold this uptrend. So again, uptrend is trying to stay alive, trying to fight this, as you guys can tell. You guys can see dip buy, dip buy, dip buy, ASTC, dip buy, dip buy, dip buy, dip buy, dip buy. A lot of traders are going to dip buy this. If we have a confirmation candle underneath ASTC's uptrend, that would be showing that the trend is reversing and then bears might take over. So ASTC, high watch for shorts at this moment. High watch for shorts. ASTC watching that candle very closely. We do know SPRC, though, has a lot of attention right now. SPRC is one of the hotter plays at this moment. Just making sure that you guys have both plays on high watch. Those are the two main stocks to be focusing on. Right now, we do have, again, ASTC. Still holding it slightly. SPRC moving itself on up towards around 12 bucks. So SPRC still right there. Guys, 1 and 2. Guys, today's going to be a hot day. I'm sitting right now with a $60 profit. $60, nothing crazy. It's basically like me starting fresh. Okay? Guys, give me one moment. I will be right back on the mic. Give me one moment, and we'll be all set, ready to go. Let's get ourselves fired up. Let's get ourselves excited. Let's get ourselves ready for an absolutely awesome day ahead. We are about to have ourselves some fun. I'll see you guys back here in just a second. We're going to be kicking off this day. Get a quick little coffee break. Coffee break. Walk your dog. Whatever you need. 2-minute breather. We'll be right back on the mic.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
He say love me, you for me Chanel. 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 Say love me for me Chanel.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
If I'm talking to you, then I'm standing on business, is it?
That's just the way life goes. I like to slam doors closed. Trust me, I know it's always about me. I love you so.
Scotty, I've got some issues that nobody can see, and all of these emotions are pouring out of me. I bring them to the light for you. It's only right. This is the soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life. 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 The soundtrack to my life.
I'll get him high, show him what I got. follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flash white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are.
Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the time.
Traders, let's get back to it right here and right now. As you guys can see at this moment, we do have ASTC at this time. And ASTC is finally getting a little bit of that fade. What do you guys think right now? ASTC did crack its uptrend. We might get a little spike back on up. We have, again, this market opening on up here in a little bit. It does look like ASTC is getting weaker. Like, you know, that is a clear-cut fact. ASTC is cracking its uptrend. Bearishness could easily, again, take on over on ASTC. ASTC, this is the first crack on the uptrend. Bounce, 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 bounce. We do have bearishness. There's no else to say it. There is bearishness at this time. So ASTC at this moment, definitely thinking, I'm going to jump in on just 200 shares on the short side just so I have something at this moment. So I am going to throw that out there at this time. ASTC, I am going to jump in on a small 200 share entry just in case, let's say, we do start fading and falling. I want to make a little bit of something. If we start bouncing our way back on up to 23, I'll look to add. But I am seeing right now that we do have bearishness. I am seeing right now, again, the stock is going on the bear side. So I am currently sitting on this play now, 200 shares on the short side, going to be watching if we are going to continuously fade and fall. If we do continuously fade and fall, I'm going to be able to look to make a nice profit. So what would be, again, the main target? All the way back on down towards around 20 bucks. There's no denying that we did just crack a major support level. And as we crack that major support level, we could start getting even weaker here. So ASTC, watching this one. Any little pops or spikes, I can always, again, get ready to look for, again, more shorting opportunities. 22, all the way back on up towards that top area. Top area could spike up towards is like $23. But that's why I'm only doing 200 shares right now. Keep it small, keep it tight, just in case we do start fading and falling. At least I can get something out of it. Guys, I really just want the market to open. I feel like we've gone over everything. You know, we've talked about this. And again, let's just make sure everyone is perfectly clear. Out of the top gainers today, by far, the best top gainer of the day is SPRC. SPRC here, guys, did come out with a press release this morning that talked about regulatory approval. And as this approval came on out, that's what led to SPRC going absolutely insane. SPRC has been a beast of a play and is still going to be the #1 stock at the open. At the open today, it will be the majority of traders are going to be focusing over on SPRC. SPRC still spiking, still ripping, still running, still popping, still climbing. SPRC has a lot of hype, has a lot of attention, and traders are again going to be focused over on this one. Okay? SPRC, as this stock hits new highs, it's again, you know, going to continue to keep getting a momentum. Now, the biggest thing on why I said you have to be careful on SPRC is there's an S here. On the level 2, if there's an S, it stands for easily accessible to short. That means the whole entire world can short it. If you have easy accessibility to shorts, there's a better chance of getting caught up in a short squeeze. More people short, more people can cover, more people get out. So the best press releases of this entire day so far, really the only one that you need to be on top of is going to be SPRC. Now, CRSR does talk about, starting with an NVIDIA G Assist. You see the word NVIDIA, people get excited. It is more just that SPRC play. Let me take a little screenshot of this, and I will, again, drop this over in chat for every single person so that you guys can be aware of it. But again, going in mentally, what's the best press release of today? What's the hottest stock of today? SPRC takes the cake. SPRC, hottest stock of this morning from Strong News. We do, as you guys know, have ASTC. This stock is also very hot, but it is running from news yesterday and being in the space sector. So again, I will say ASTC is just as hot, but it does not have news today. It's just as, again, a crazy play. It's just not as wild. So make sure that you guys are just all set, ready to go. Let me just post this for you guys all over the place so that you guys are all ready to rock. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Now, if you take a look at the overall best top gainers on the day, we do have SPRC, clear cut number 1. NCT, I don't see any news or any reason for it. So SPRC we love. NCT we're keeping our eyes peeled on. And then ASTC, let's actually go through these top 4 real quick. Okay, top 4 plays at this moment. Let's just kind of break these on down. We already know the first one. First one right here, SPRC. Insane, crazy stock, just spiked up towards a new high of 1430. SPRC does have good credible news. Let's go to the next one of NCT. Honestly, NCT is not worth your time at all. If anything, look to short on any random little pop. This play again spikes on up towards around 650. Get ready for a drop right back on down. ATPC. Again, nothing I need at this moment. Could it go crazy today? Yes, it looks like it had news last night. So again, ATPC, 287 up towards, again, $8. Really crazy to be able to see. Let's see if, again, this one gets any sort of hype and attention. And then obviously, ASTC, this one is trying to open on up, go on a spike, and what's its target? Try to break $24. If that can get above and break $24, it's where the hype is going to be at. It is where the attention is going to be at. So again, top 4 hottest stocks this morning. SPRC, NCT, ATPC, ASTC. These are, again, the top 4 plays the majority of the world is going to be watching at the bell, making sure that you guys are all set, ready to go. It's game time. Game time here, traders. Big day ahead for everyone. Big day ahead for everyone. And I just want to see again where that hype. If you guys did not go through the analyst alerts yet today, make sure you guys go do that. Everything you need to know. NCT, no news. ASTC, we already know about it. SPRC, definitely again very hot. Go down to the very bottom here, traders. We have, again, full details over on ASTC. We do have the snow earnings report, ASTC, and the entire space breakdown. We also learn all about SpaceX. If you guys have not gone through this, USO oil stocks are jumping 2.5%. ASTC, again, we did have a massive deal. The Trump administration is funding drone companies and, again, companies that have to do with drones. So make sure, again, you guys are aware drones could be extremely hot. NCT started going on a spike and rip and run. You guys, make sure you guys add your keyword alerts and add, again, space stocks to your watch list. Extremely hot right now. But what it really comes on down to at this moment is it seems like it's game time. I want to make money. You want to make money. We are here to make money. Let's see what we can do at the start of this day. SPRC here, traders. I think the best bet for us would maybe be looking for a dip buy. What do you guys think? I would rather look for shorts on ASTC. I would rather look for dip buys over on SPRC. Where would dip buy potential be? Dip buy potential. Bounce play back on down towards $11. Top resistance up towards around $12.30. That, again, $12 region, low $12 mark, it could probably be the best dip buy area for you. So again, maybe if you spread out some orders somewhere in the low $12 to even the high 11.90s, that could be, again, very solid to be able to get, some dip buy potential entries. So I kind of want to, I want to trade today. You guys know that. I'm full on ready to rock and roll here. So I'm ready to, again, pull the trigger. I'm ready to get after it. I'm ready to, again, make some money here. I want to look for low dip buys in the 12s. Even maybe if we hit a couple 1190s. Drop on down. 1220s. I think, again, at the bell, we might be able to get a good entry if we come back on down towards, again, these old spiking highs. Old highs should hold up as the new floor. And then we do have our support all the way down towards $11. $11 would be like the safest bet, but the odds are we're not going to fall that low. You know? So the odds are we aren't going to fall that low, but that technically would be the safest bet. ASTC, guys, a little bit of a climb here. ASTC can still rip and run up towards around like $23 at the bell. Do not forget that. You know, this one can rip and run right up towards $23 at the bell over on ASTC. Again, market opens up here in 9 minutes. There is going to be excitement in this market here, traders. Let's make sure that we are all set, ready to go. Let's make sure all traders are ready to rock here. You guys will be good. Also, a little side note here, traders. I sent out 7 different traders my trade idea scanner codes yesterday. Remember, guys, if you do not click the links in the description below, make sure you add the code DECMAR25. If you add the code DECMAR25, you guys will be getting 25% off over on trade ideas, and I will send you all my scanner codes so that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll over on trade ideas. Link is in the description. Click it. Make sure you guys are all set, ready to rock. Also, if you guys have not yet, let me ask you guys this, is everyone prepared on big trades? Did everyone sign up to big trades? Are you guys good for big trades to make sure that you guys are ready to rock and get after it? This is where we are having the small account challenge. So small account challenge must be with me on this broker. This is, again, where we are going to be able to get unlimited shorts. We will be able to trade in pre-market and after hours. Everything will be in real time. It will be, I think, the majority commission free. It's Cobra's version for sub $10,000 accounts. If you have not yet, fill out an application. It is 100% free to sign up. Get over on Big Trade so that you guys are all set for next week if you have not signed up yet. Okay? So, want to make sure every single person is prepared and ready. Right now here, traders, we are, again, setting up our entire game plan on this day. We have SPRC, low dip buys and bounce plays, as we know. If SPRC gets a pullback, we will be looking in the low 12s to, again, the high 1190s. Then on top of that, guys, we also do have ASTC. ASTC could easily get a quick spike at the bell coming on down towards that VWAP area. We're seeing how well that's going to be able to hold on up. That's going to be an interesting play as well to see what ASTC is going to do. SPRC, guys, is sitting right next to, again, some strong areas of support. We might be getting filled here soon over on SPRC. And if that one starts coming on down, SPRC is going to start getting filled for potential dip buys. So, guys, SPRC dip buy potential coming on up. As I said, low $12. Guys, we are getting filled right now over on our SPRC trade. SPRC trade, guys, getting filled at this moment now over on this one. Guys, SPRC, I am in on this trade. Did not get filled everything, but I got filled a good chunk. 2,392. 2,392. We're currently up $500 on this dip buy right now. I'm going to take my profits at this moment and just lock in, again, $300. So traders, just got filled on SPRC off that dip buy. Just locked in, again, a free $300 off SPRC's dip buy. Did everyone just get filled at $12, $11.90? It's back up to $12.30. 1,000 shares. You're up $300. So again, great job if you guys were able to just make a little profit right there. We've been able to make $1,200 so far. We lost $1,100 and we just made it $258. So, awesome job. Awesome work so far. So again, this is kind of the issue. This is the issue here, traders, that again, a lot of people kind of go through. Says, hey, my broker won't allow me on SPRC. Schwab won't allow. Like, guys, I would lose my mind if there's a hot stock and my broker won't allow me to trade it. It's like, what are we doing? You know, it's a hot stock and my broker won't allow me to trade it? That makes no sense to me. So that's why, again, click the links. Use Cobra if you have over $20,000 in your account. If you don't, get ready for big trades where, again, there will be no limitations. No limitations. You could be able to trade what the heck you want when you want to trade it. And I think that's so important. So important. That's how you make money. So it's going to be an absolute blast. Guys, right now, great job if you guys got the dip buy on SPRC. I am, again, very focused today over on ASTC. This one's going to get a little crazy, I think. ASTC on the verge of getting pretty crazy right at the bell. Right now here, team SPRC. Market opens up in 4 minutes here. Guys, ASTC starting to get weaker now. ASTC, guys, starting to get weaker. We only have 200 shares on this play. Not the biggest investment in the world, but at the same time, it's still better than nothing. We are, again, currently up $117, just adding a little bit more to the day right here. Guys, this quick little $200 over on ASTC, we are sitting right at the VWAP. The VWAP might hold on up as our dip buy and bounce play area. 2140, that has been, again, dip buy bounce, dip buy bounce, dip buy bounce. This could easily be a dip buy bounce area. I have a free $119 at this time. I'm just going to take this free $119 and lock this in right now at this moment, just so, again, I'm continuously adding, because we might get a little dip buy and bounce right off the rip here, and I just want to be prepared for that. It's only 200 shares. It's a free $100. I'll take it. We are putting ourselves up now back into the green, currently up $443 on this day. So guys, staying smart, watching and waiting, seeing what we can do here. ASTC, little dip buy and bounce play. Guys, if you want ASTC, if you get that quick crack right at the bell, you could be getting dip buys here. I would say, again, let's do the same exact thing we just did on SPRC. Dip buy potential. And again, shorting potential. If this play spikes, room to run back up towards around $23. Let's go again. Let's put shares up high. So I'm going limit order, price. I just want to see if this play could ever get itself all the way back on up towards around $23. If we spike back up to $23, there is potential to be able to get filled, make some great money, see this one again be able to drop back on down. Now also, if this play again dumps, let's say this play dumps on down towards the low 20s. Dumps on down towards the low 20s, let's get ready for a dip buy. So I'm going to be putting entries in on both sides. If we spike at the bell, I'm going to look to short it at a high. If we dump at the bell, I'm going to look to buy it at a low. Does that make sense, everyone? So I'm putting dip buys in, and I'm putting shorting entries in to try to nail both sides out of this play to really get the best overall potential out of the stock. Crack at the bell, getting filled. Spike at the bell, getting filled. Market opens up in about 45 seconds. Let's see what we can do on this play. So far, we are up about $430 on the day. We won $1,300. We lost $1,100. We won $258. Guys, going to be a little crazy at the bell here. It is now 9:30. Which way is this going to go? Can we get a little crack to get ready for our dip buy and bounce back on up? Or are we going to spike right on up to $23 and then possibly get halted or dump on down? I'm prepared on both sides, as you guys are realizing, watching to see which way this is going to go. I have all my orders right now, as you guys can see. Anything in the green is dip buying. Anything in the red is shorting, looking to be able to get filled at these prices here to be able to make this money. So here comes a little bit of that crack here. We might be getting filled on dip buy potentials first. And obviously, what's the goal? Crack on down towards the mid-20s, dip buy, bounce back up towards above the VWAP. ASTC, if this one continues to go all the way down, has room to fall all the way down towards like 1980 if it really dumped. If this play like really dumped, could go all the way down towards like 1980. Right now though, ASTC is kind of holding up pretty well. I'm going to be honest, it's holding up pretty well. Just putting super low orders in case anything stupid happens. ASTC here, traders. Watching this one and trying to get the best overall entry no matter which side this one goes to. No matter which way it goes, I want to be prepared, up or down. Market is live. How is, again, SPRC looking? Guys, SPRC started with a big spike. SPRC started with the big spike on up. And now again, is that live or halted? SPRC is actually halted, guys. SPRC halted on the downside right now. Guys, we do have ASTC, maybe again, going to start ripping on up. Oh, man. ASTC, traders, it's all over the place. ASTC just came up to 22.12, was looking for a spike up to $23. We are again bouncing back and forth right now. Traders are trying to debate which way is this one going to go. Traders, I will get filled if we get a little dump, as I said, back underneath that $20 mark. I am not filled anything at this time. Not filled on anything at this time. As ASTC is just still sitting between $21 and $22. Looking for all the best overall opportunity. Now SPRC, when this one comes out and gets unhalted, VWAP area is back on down towards the low 11s. Would anyone be interested on that? SPRC, dip buy somewhere underneath like 1150 or right around 1150. 1150 down towards 1108. Do you guys like that? Maybe an SPRC entry back on down towards 1150 to 1108. So SPRC still watching. ASTC still again fighting back and forth. Which way will ASTC go? If it does get the spike, and this is the thing, I think even if it spikes, it's going to dump. I think even if it dumps, it's going to pop right back on up. I feel like it's like kind of finding this little consolidation area. Is there anyone right now buying ASTC, saying, Deck, I think this thing's going to spike up to $25 plus? There will be, again, traders thinking that as well. Guys, I might be getting filled here soon on ASTC. Guys, ASTC going to be getting my first little entries getting filled here pretty soon. ASTC, guys, just got only 200 shares filled. 200 shares filled on the dip buy. I will look for more, though, if it keeps getting lower, as you guys know. So ASTC getting filled, only 200 shares at this time. We will be watching that one. I do want to go back over to SPRC, though, as well, because SPRC opens up in 50 seconds, and I think that could be a great trade if that one opens on up and gets us a nice little dip buying opportunity. So I do want to see, could SPRC open on up and we get filled on this play? So I just want to put some low entries and work my way on up as well. So I'm basically putting entries all over the place right now, guys. I'm being an absolute psycho at this moment because I want to make some cash. So I have entries down low over on ASTC. I have entries down low over on, again, SPRC. I'm long on SPRC. I am long on ASTC. I am long on all these plays. I'm not shorting right now. I've had one short today. You know, and I made $1,300 is my biggest trade so far. But you know what? I am looking more for dip buying, potential. So guys, we do want to just stay ready over on SPRC. SPRC, I might be getting filled here in 7 seconds to see where this one is going to be opening up. You guys ready for it? 3, 2, 1. SPRC, not filled on this. Did not get filled on SPRC, guys. I will look for that quick dip buy, and then again, bounce back on up. Dang it. SPRC, guys, came on down to the price of $11.80. I did not get filled on SPRC. Ah! Where were my entries on? I want to see real quick. My entries over on SPRC came on down towards $11.80. I had $11.30, $11.40, $11.50, $11.60, $11.65. I did not have $11.80. So guys, SPRC, I did miss that dip buy. That one did not do essentially what I wanted. That one did not get it. Also, ASTC, going back over to this play right now. ASTC, we are currently up 166 bucks. Again, we could lock that in if we want to. Just, again, basically add a little free money if we're interested on, even that play. What do we have here? 200 shares. Stock is still trying to push a little bit. Only 200 shares right now. It's a $4,000 investment. We are up $250. Guys, we're still going right now. Off of, again, a $250 investment, or 250 shares. We're up another 260, 270. Can this one keep on pushing? $22 break? Can we break the $22 and maybe rip and rally? Hey, 200 shares is better than no shares. Guys, I'm going to take my profits right here, take another $200 on top. And now ASTC, guys, we just locked in another profit right there. So another profit over on ASTC. We were, again, the most we were up today was $1,200. We then lost, again, $1,100. Then we won $258. Then we won again $220. We are sitting right now with a $663.11 at this time. So we're up $600 plus at this moment. ASTC still has potential. Now, let's also understand something. ASTC, I still have shorts above again, up near around this line. This line up here, up next to $23, I do have shares available to short. So if that gets filled, that could be able to be a little bit crazy for us. Because if this one spikes on up and starts getting filled on the short side, we could be able to make some money. So again, ASTC is not out for the count yet, and also SPRC is still alive. So remember, guys, I'm doing all of this in real time, telling every single person exactly what I'm doing, exactly how I'm trading. Traders, SPRC right now opens up in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Right now here, traders across the board, just trying to lock in our gains, lock in some profits, getting ready to go. And traders, this is only the warm-up. This is only the warm-up before we kick off next Thursday. Next Thursday, no more PDT rule. Next Thursday, the kickoff of the small account challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys know, next week, hold on a second. ASTC, guys, starting to rip and run a little bit. I just got filled my first, again, little bit of shares. Guys, ASTC getting filled a little bit here. We'll just want to be careful on this. ASTC, I am in on the short side here. I want to see if this is going to hold on up. If not, I'm going to get out. Currently, again, down $100 on this trade here. Now, again, the only reason I'm looking at this is because we do have strong resistance right next to that 23.50 mark. I am in on this play at this moment, as you guys can see. Watching to see if we are going to reverse. Cost basis is 23.36. 23.36 at this moment. ASTC, guys, is testing these highs here. Little drop back on down to $23. We're up another $200. I'm going to take my gains right here. Just lock in $200 where I can. Guys, just made another $200 after, again, hitting the top resistance line, shorting it back on down. I'm just playing super conservative right now. I'm not trying to act like a big pussy, but at the same time, I'm just being super conservative. Now, ladies and gentlemen, another $200. We're now up $800 on the day. With that being stated, being up again $865 on the day. Next week, as every single person may or may not know, is the final week of free live streams over on YouTube, on X, on Twitch, wherever you guys have been watching. For the small account challenge, we are doing it only on tradecaster.com. It comes on out to about $2 per day to be able to watch over on Tradecaster. We will be having small account challenge bulk deals and sales next week. And I truly hope that over the last 3 months of me streaming for every single person, you guys have seen my transparency. You guys see how it's in real time. You see how I truly try to help you grow. If you believe that I bring value to you every single day, please join us for the small account challenge, because I will be giving my absolute all to make you the best trader that you can possibly become. Please join us for the small account challenge next week, where I am going to do everything I can to turn a $4,000 account into $20,000 plus. Please join us next week to make sure that you guys are joining us throughout the entire summer. So June, July, August is going to be for members only, subscription members only, be about $2 to $3 per day. Truly, I think I provide that. So I hope I proved myself to you. And now again, we are getting ready for that next week. Guys, small account challenge, no PDT rule. It will be a generational wealth opportunity. We will be trading every day over this summer, and we will be giving our absolute all as we grow our accounts. So, let's get ready to rock here. Let's keep on crushing it, keep making this money. But right now, guys, let's focus on this week. Let's focus on today, and let's focus on the beginning of next week as well before the PDT rule ends. But yep, guys, for every single person, we will begin only live over on Tradecaster. You guys can join the chat room, join all the members that are already there. And again, watching and waiting day after day. Yep, I'll put up all the deals next week. Next week, I'll have everything set and prepared for you. Guys, little heads on up. ASTC came on up to 24.25. ASTC, guys, getting a little bit weaker once again here. I think guys, ASTC getting weaker. ASTC starting to drop here. We might spike back above $23 for a moment, like a 23.20. Get ready for some more shorts, 23.50. Get ready for some more shorts, 23 again, 30. We get little pops right above $23. Get ready for some shorting opportunities, I think, again. So I'm seeing ASTC spike and hit the top, spike and hit the top, spike and hit the top, spike and hit the top. We get a little, again, shorting opportunity. We try to short as close as we can to that red line. So that's our only goal. Our only goal is that right now, saying ASTC, as long as it stays underneath $24, we're fine. But let's try to get filled in the $23 so some shorting opportunities to be able to bring this play back on down. So we do have ASTC, high watch, high alert. What's SPRC doing, guys? SPRC here. SPRC, is this one still halted? Guys, SPRC still halted. I would take the assumption that it is going to dump after, again, having a gap up. I think this one's going to have a gap up and then probably dump if I had to make the assumption, just because it's halted now for nearly 10 minutes. Stock has had a lot of consolidation. I would just be careful on it. Be careful on how you guys are going to be getting yourself involved over on this play. Sometimes $200 is all you need. In and out here, baby. ATPC, guys, new high of the day. ASTC, I do think we're going to spike back on up towards that red line. Couple attempts of this red line. A little pop back above $23. We get filled. Let's see if, again, we can just keep taking profits when we have them. Again, I'm not trying to do anything crazy here. I don't want to get blown up. I don't want to lose $4,000 today. I'm, again, trying to work my way as close as I can to that $10,000 profit area. We've been making good money. We're making thousands of dollars. We're doing, I believe, everything correctly. You know? So, guys, ASTC, We just had the spike. We just had the dump. Now we're trying to get filled as the stock gets another little attempt to pop back on up, get a little bit of weakness as the stock spikes as close as we can to $24 and then dump back underneath 23. We're starting to get filled again right now. We are getting filled at this moment, looking to see can we be able to now get a reversal back underneath again that $23 mark. If the bids right now start going $22.80, $22.60, $22.50, that's where we can start making more money. That's where we can start making more cash. As again, this stock, rises to $23.50, $23.70, $24, we can keep adding to be able to make even more money. So, right now here, team, if we go on up, that's fine. We're looking to be able to get as close as we can to the red line for our cost basis. If we, again, cannot break that red line, or, again, we start falling back on down, the VWAP is our target back on down towards around 2166. 2166 is our main goal. That's the VWAP area, the next AKA bounce play area. Or again, you can keep on holding. Really up to you. Right now, we're up $180 right now, $250. Right now, we're getting a little bit weaker with, again, our 500 shares. We are in at the price of $23.25. We would have to fall on down to $22.25 for, again, at least a $500 profit here. But we are up another $230. Going to see if we can keep on getting a little bit weaker here. Stock's trying to hold on up here a little bit. Guys, I'm going to take another profit of $200. Hey, I'm okay with my $200 increments. Taking another $200 profit, I will lock that in. We are now back up over $1,000 on the day. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my realized gain right here. Just want to show you guys at this time, we are back up over $1,000 on the day, all doing it live with you at this moment. So back up over $1,000 on the day. Great little start right here. Traders, we will still keep doing the same game plan. If this play cannot break that red line, we will again just continue to be watching, continue to wait, continue to say, hey, you know what? We can look for shorts there. If it does break that red line, don't short it. Let's go back over to SPRC. SPRC, guys, we are live at this moment over on SPRC. SPRC, guys, looking for that $15 breakout. What are you guys thinking? You want to look for that $15 break and explosion? Right now, it says symbol is shortable. You can still short this play, but remember, it's very scary. Short squeezes can easily happen on a play like SPRC. Guys, a lot of buying volume moving on through. A lot of hype right now, trying to keep on going. Next hold area is 1594. Area on the downside, 1305. Dip buy is right next to 1305. If you want to look for, again, a possible dip buy, it's going to be right next to that 1305 mark. Why is that? Because that is where, again, the old Holt was. The old Holt most likely is going to be, again, where the dip buy opportunity is going to be for us. So, again, it would be like 13, still, that 1305 mark. That would be like where the dip or the best dip opportunity most likely will be at. Could go a little bit lower if you want to. Right now, I'm just kind of sitting back right now. Right now, I'm sitting back, more just waiting and watching. ASTC, guys. ASTC is going to be an amazing short opportunity coming on up. Absolutely. Guys, here comes that possible VWAP dip buy. VWAP dip buy back on down to 2160. People are, again, trying to buy this one on up. 2240. You guys can look for, again, some more shorts. Is this play going to actually get another attempt? Or is this play going to be done here soon? That's like the big question. So traders, ASTC coming on down towards the VWAP. Still has a chance to be able to spike back on up. I will again look for more shorts. We are building lower lows though, right? So lower highs, lower lows, we are getting a little bit weaker. ASTC has room to fall back on down towards $20.16. $20.16, SPRC has room to continuously fade and fall. Next shorting opportunity would be, again, right around $22.75, $22.90. Seems like, again, we might get a little bounce play right back up to $23, but if this thing does keep on fading and falling, things can get ugly. So, no entries for myself right now. Shares are all zeroed out. Now, again, you guys can see ASTC starting to fade. A lot of people will look for dip buy opportunities off that bottom. SPRC, guys, trying to steal the show here. SPRC, $15, not going to be able to break easily. So, SPRC, what do you guys think over here? $15, going to be a tough one. Traders, I'm feeling good. Like, I'm putting myself, I feel like, in good positions. I'm locking in profits when I have them. I'm making money consistently. ASTC, a little bit of a drop here, guys. Notice it's starting to fall underneath that area. Falling underneath VWAP area, guys. $22. Seems like, again, the weakness is starting to pile on in. Guys, do you guys like when I do this many trades? Do you guys like when I'm trading this actively? Do you guys like when, again, you guys can look at my P&L and it's like, okay, look how many trades I've done today. All the blue and red. 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 How many trades have I done today? Let's figure this out. 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades, 8 trades, 9 trades, 10 trades. 10 trades today I've made. 10's a lot. I've made 10 trades so far today. So now again, ASTC starting to fade and fall. All right, here, guys. Right now, we are, again, doing everything. ASTC still trying to get a little rip. SPRC right now. Guys, SPRC, there's a little bit of that dump. ASTC coming back on up. ASTC, guys, maybe even a little bit of a pop. Awesome morning. Awesome morning. Congratulations. Great job. Great work for everyone here. Been able to make some nice money. Shout out to everyone that is joining us on this day. Remember, guys, here, I was posting this a little bit earlier, but I, kind of got cut off here slightly. If you guys have not, big trades, this is where I'm going for the small account. It is honestly mandatory that you guys use big trades for the small account. This is what I want you guys to know. Everyone is going to sign up and be part of the small account challenge and say, hey, Sean, I have $4,000. I have $3,000. I have $5,000. I want to be able to trade the same stocks you trade. If you want to trade the same stocks I trade and trade at the same time that I trade and be able to short all the same stocks, use the broker that I am using for this. Because every time I do this, I get complaints of people saying, Deck, I can't trade that. My broker doesn't allow me. Hey, Deck, I can't trade at 5 a.m. I can't short that play. You will be able to do it when you are using the same broker that I'm using. So it's free. It's literally free to sign up. So I want to make sure that you guys are all set here and there's zero confusion and you have the highest chance of success on this upcoming small account challenge. Make sure that you guys are prepared for it. All right, here, traders. Pretty solid so far. Watching to see what we are going to be able to do here next. ASTC still dropping, guys. ASTC can't get above the VWAP. SPRC dumping on down. Both plays starting to dump. Guys, SPRC starting to dump. Traders, SPRC might get one more attempt back up to 14, and then I think it's going to dump. I do. I think, again, SPRC is on the verge of dumping here soon. You might get one more last little attempt back up towards around that $14 mark, and then I think it's bye-bye time. So again, I'm thinking if we can get a little spike back on up, and we should be fading back on down towards 1150 here soon. If we get up towards $13.90, $14, I'm going to, as I said, look for, again, this possibility of the short. Try to see if we can dump. I know it's slowly trying to work itself back on up right now. Traders, I'm looking for the short right now on SPRC. I'm going short on SPRC right now, giving this one a chance. I'm in on 400 shares on the short side right now. 400 shares on the short side, in at the price of $13.70. $13.70, I think, again, it's a little bounce play. Upper shadow is going to form, and we have room to fall back on down towards the VWAP. I am in right now shorts on this play, watching to see how much lower this one can go. I do have some shorts up higher, up towards around $13.90, $14 if this one does keep on going. And I'm just staying prepared. I got 400 shares filled. Watching to see, are we going to dump back on down to sub 13? Right now, again, I have a cost basis of $13.70. $13.70, another short entry I'm currently doing at this moment. Crack 13, we could easily fall back on the VWAP area, which is my goal. I don't want to see that short squeeze, though. Short squeeze opportunity happens. We got to be careful, you know? Guys, there's the dump. Guys, we're up $400. Let's go, baby. $400 dumperoni. Guys, $400 dump. Let's go, baby. $600, $500. Let's lock it out right here. Bang! Bang! More money, baby! More fucking money! Okay. Awesome job, everyone. Congratulations. Guys, SPRC at this time. Great work. Great job. And now we are currently up $1,500 on the day. Let's check our P&L on our day. We're up $1,500 on the day now. Team, we are on fire. We are on fire on this day. More money, more cash. $1,500. Guys, ASTC, we won on. ASTC short, we won on. One on SPRC alongside SPRC short side. We are winning on it. A blind monkey can make money in this market right now. Let's go! Right now here, traders, keeping this going. Team, I don't know. When should I walk away? When do you guys think it's like, hey, Deck, time to wrap it up? $1,500 on the day. You, again, made $1,500 yesterday. You made $1,500 today. We made back the loss from Tuesday. We're coming up to a $10,000 profit. Right now here, team, we're doing everything right. I mean, I'm thinking, again, you know, $1,500 at this time. I'm pretty happy. Because, yes, at some point I might jump in and get squeezed. At some point I might jump in and get squeezed. There's a chance that I jump in on an SPRC trade at $13.60 and all of a sudden it rips up to $15 and I look like a freaking idiot. Okay? That's the worst thing. The worst thing is me to be like, hey guys, let's keep on trading. I get caught up in that one random short squeeze and I just look like an idiot. Guys, I hope everyone's on the green today. I hope everyone's making money today. I want to make sure I don't have any open orders. Is SPRC still holding on up? How's ASTC doing, guys? ASTC still sitting right around that old spiking high area, trying to get a little dip buy off the old spiking high.
Space.
I just heard the word space. Just heard the word space come out. Is there a reason why? What is this? Space announces that has been against a Z Space Inc. at 10 o'clock. So there was, again, space right here. Space is one of my key words. So I put the word space, guys, over on Fox Runner. You guys can see, again, there is the word space. It's nothing like crazy, though. UMAC making new highs? Yeah, guys, that's because of the Trump deal. UMAC making new highs, that's the Trump deal. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. But if you guys go over to the analyst alerts here, Trump came on out with this right here. It says, breaking news, reports that the Trump administration is now in advanced financing discussions with multiple U.S. drone manufacturers. The effort aims to strengthen domestic productions and reduce reliance on foreign supply chains. So again, drone stocks are moving up very hot right now. This also came out on the headlines section. Just little heads on up here, guys. You do have all the headlines that come out at 10 o'clock. New U.S. home sales, U.S. new home sales as well for April, 6.2 versus 3.4%. So you guys do have all of this data. Everything that's coming on up. Make sure you guys are aware of it. UMAC moving on up. AMPX, guys. AMPX, we're almost back up to 20 bucks. Guys, AMPX. Let me ask you, where are my AMPX traders at? AMPX. Can we again continue to push on up here? Deck, what do I think about the S&P 500? S&P 500's a beast. Goes up forever. You buy, you hold, you never sell. You sell when you want to retire. Guess what the S&P 500 does? It just keeps going. Traders, look at the bull rally that we have had. This is what's so freaking insane right now here, traders, and I don't think people understand it. We are right now, and I don't think people understand what we have at this moment. However you want to put it, right now is absolutely insane. The S&P 500 is having one of its best bull rallies over the last 2 months that we have seen in the last 2 years, and the last few years have been insanity. Right here, we are seeing the S&P 500 go from 651 all the way up to 750. We have seen nearly a 17% climb on the S&P 500 in the last 60 days. Boom! We are seeing opportunities that we are not seeing ever before with these space stocks, with the PDT rule dropping, with all these new IPOs such as SpaceX. Right now, it is time to trade. Right now, you do not want to be sitting on the sidelines. When we kick off this small account challenge next Thursday, we are hammering it, and I don't think market conditions could be any more perfect. You want to be ready. Palantir also moving itself on up. Love to hear that. Palantir. A little bit of a pop. Want to see if that one's going to grind. We like Palantir. Nice again, nice green day over on Palantir here. So again, S&P 500, buy and hold. Run on the Banks off to work to teach the kiddos welding and woodwork. Have a great day. Hey, Run on the Banks, congratulations on your success today, buddy. Great job. And I think I'm going to be right behind you. Guys, going into the rest of the day, SPRC, massive potential. ASTC, massive potential. Guys, I think I'm going to call it for myself with a $1,500 profit. I don't think I need to put myself in any other bad position. I think, again, I'm doing things right. I'm doing things safe. I want to make sure we're being as smart as we possibly can. Let's do things the right way. We do have a lot of potential still over on SPRC to squeeze and spike, but I just don't want to, again, jump on a play that could squeeze and spike me right here. I'm going to walk away with a $1,500 profit. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been incredible. It has been amazing. It has been absolutely delectable in every single way, working with you guys day in and day out and kicking off this day. Man, it's awesome. Man, it's beautiful. And to add some more profits on this day, congrats. SPRC on high watch. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations on those gains. Let's keep this party going. The summer is about to start. Small account challenge on the way. Let's go. It's coming on up here. Traders, help me wrap this thing on up. You guys know the drill in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. Say love me, for me Chanel.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
It's not talking to you that I'm standing on business, is it?
Some issues that nobody can see, and all of these emotions are pouring out of me. I bring them to the light for you. It's only right. This is the soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life.
dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are.
Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby.
How can we go back to being friends when we just shared? How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never had? Talk to me. How can we go back to being friends when we just shared?
Be the man that I need, baby.
Me and pretend I'm someone you never had.
We're gonna have a problem here. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. Stand clear. That's the sound of the beast. Watch out. We run New York.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends, what are you saying? Said there's another, look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby,
about my first love.
It's never gonna change. I'm gonna feel this way forever. Are you gonna be around for me to come on, come
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, holla. People sing around. Go, get your freak on. 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 Go, get your.
This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me.
This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
Approval.
If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go.
Sally, that feeling's coming around. Please don't go falling in love. Then disappear in the mind's eye. Sally, I'll buy a couple of rounds.
I'll go wherever you will go.
Sally, then disappear in the mind's eye. Hear the roar. Oh shit, here we go again. I'm on it. Ankles hit the two-step. Sally makes my head hurt. Her food's great, but she can be a diva. Cold like Minnesota, hotter than a fever. Oh shit, here we go again. I'm on it first. Ankles hit the two-step. Sally makes my head hurt. Her food's great, but she can be a diva. Cold like Minnesota, hotter than a fever. Sally.
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't no distance to see. But darling, stay with me. You know that I can use somebody. 'Cause you're all I need. You know that I can use somebody. But darling, stay with me.
Honey, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see
I guess I'm the problem. And your mess never do no wrong if I'm so awful. Then why'd you stick around this long and if it's the whiskey? And why you keep on pulling it off the shelf? You hit it when you looked at me, you halfway see yourself, and it got me thinking, if I'm the problem, well, you might be the reason.
Just give me time, honey, I get it. The way you got me holding my head, got me yawning, I think I got it, you in my food.
Badder than, bad from me part. Bad from me part. Bad from me part. Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreign. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
I hope they settle down, I hope they'll marry rich. I hope they're scared of all the ordinary shit. Like murderers and ghosts and cancer on your skin. And not your soul, the money might do it.
No broke boys, no new friends. No broke boys, no new friends. No broke boys, no new friends. I'm that bitch, you give me my tens. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade. Fuck on me, then you know he paid. She's so good, makes no sense. That ass bitch with my badass friends.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head?
I think we're alone now. Doesn't seem to be anyone around. I think we're alone now. Beating up our hearts is the only sign.
Every memory of looking out the back door. I have a photo of him spread out on my bedroom floor. It's time to say it, time to say it.
Soldier boy, tell him. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now why soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now why?
Oh baby, I need some more J, more gin, more shots, pour it 3 rounds to forget. With a bottle or 2, red wine, rosé, red cup, all day. I'll drink me under the table to get over you. You make me feel good, na 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 na. You make me feel so, na 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 na. You make me feel good, na 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 na. You make me feel so, na 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 na. And you'll be that girl, you'll be
Everything you want, so let me get up there. I'm the baddest baby in the atmosphere. Tell me what you want, so we can do this.
Drink me under the table.
mamacita.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The love boys don't know how to act. Yeah. Think it's special what's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Make it smile. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, child. Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy on.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You party in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm here to have a sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You party in the club.
In my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time when we didn't know how to live. Listen up, old film smoking like me on the couch in the back room.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head, if you're into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head, if you're into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Find me in the club.
Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you sing the song, and I got lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the word.
'Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know,
Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Don't make me choose.
I think you know what this is. I think you wanna win. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can win. Ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is. I think you know what this is. I think you wanna win. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can win. Ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is.
But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me home.
take me home tonight. I
I know.
Man, child, why you always come running on me? Fuck my life. Won't you let an innocent woman be? Coming closer now that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Pulling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
She on that coke diet. She stopped with Diet Coke. She on that coke diet. She stopped with Diet Coke. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet.
Yeah, yeah. Save a little love for me before you give it all away. Bring your body back to me. Whoa, tell me, pull your heart out for me before you give it all away. Save a little love for me.
We're going up, before I'm moving. You know together we're going. Gonna be going. Oh, with our voices. Gonna get you so loving. Gonna be going.
Save a little love for me.
You are now one of my elite employees.
Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
Mac, I'm going in.
Ain't no
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. Tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
It's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50%
Given the game she played, she say I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye.
Walking on a dream, how can I explain? Talking to myself, will I see again?
Computer, make this guy horny.
Walking on a dream, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. How can I explain? With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in and out, sipping on gin and juice, laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in and out, sipping on gin and juice, laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And now all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, your electric love. Electric love.
Hey, where's tomorrow? I need tomorrow. Today I'm getting rid of my problems. Where's tomorrow? I need tomorrow. Can't work my heart, you don't even know. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, no candle. See you down that lonely avenue. Where's tomorrow? I need tomorrow. Today I'm getting rid of my problems.
She's really good.